This Lake Hamilton Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Steve Street. Recently completed home is now available. Oversized floor plan for the entertainer. This home has lots to offer, but too many custom features to list. Must take a look inside to fully appreciate the value. Membership into the center will be paid by the seller for 1 year. For more information, review the details below or contact Steve Street at 501-525-1466.